Hello, everybody. Have you ever wondered what are the relationships in your life which makes you happy and the relationship which makes you not happy? And did you ever observe why it is so? I want to invite you to do so from now onward. So, if you notice, the relationship, our life is like a puzzle. The puzzle, there are different pieces of our life, and the people who makes you happy, and I want you to start observing that those are the people who fits right into your puzzle perfectly. And the people who makes you not happy are those people who don't fit into the puzzle, but you keep trying to fit them into your life puzzle, and that create unhappiness, and we become, or you become, a victim, unhappy, blame yourself and blame the other person, and same thing is the other person doing. So let's take a moment today and start observing that. And is it possible for you to take that piece of the puzzle which is not fitting into your life puzzle and remove it with love and affection and understanding? So once you remove that, maybe the other perfect match appears. And the relationship could be any relationship, friend, family, romantic relationship, any relationship. And the other perfect match, when it appears, it's perfect. There is no blame, no unhappiness, and it just sits right into that space which is empty. And do it one by one, not to mix and match all the puzzle. So one by one, it's not that easy and it's not that hard. So once you do that, let me know how it feels. With love, Samia.